Hey guys, I wanted to go over a list of 20 foods that are healthy for a person over 50 that has the highest nutritional value and what those factors are. And this is utilizing a artificial intelligence, the GPT. So it gave me a list, which is a pretty amazing list. And this should be on all of our shopping lists. And again, not to get too much food because fresh food is best, right? So we have salmon, high in omega 3s, fatty acids, and protein. We have spinach, high in A, C, K, as well as folate. We have blueberries, antioxidant and vitamin C, quinoa, which is high in protein. Yogurt, a Greek yogurt, is the probiotics. Sweet potatoes, high in fiber, vitamin A and C. We have broccoli, which I went over in my previous videos, shows that it's healthier for you than peas and mixed vegetables. High in K, C, as well as antioxidants. Nuts and seeds, okay? Healthy fats, protein, and minerals. Eggs, I did a video on that yesterday. High in protein and vitamin D and B12. And with eggs, I went over the liquid eggs that they have in a carton and how they're less than half the money, and they are pure egg, 99% pure egg. So I have a video on that. Avocados, high in healthy fats and potassiums. Lentils, high in protein, fiber, and iron. We got beets, high in folate and antioxidants. Kale, which is high in vitamin K and C as well as antioxidants. Turmeric, okay, anti-inflammatory compounds. So if you have some joint pain or pain, turmeric. Garlic, high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. A lot of my food, I have garlic. I love to saute garlic. I like to brown garlic. I like a garlic oil. Oh, right underneath it, olive oil, high in healthy fats and antioxidants. Dark chocolate, high in antioxidants and flavonoids. And they say dark chocolate makes you feel good. So there's a thing about that we can get into. Pumpkin, high in fiber, vitamin A and C. I like butternut squash. Butternut squash is one of my favorites. Tuna, high in omega 3, fatty acid, and protein. And whole grain, we have high in fiber and vitamin B and E. And again, it says worth noting that some people may have dietary restrictions or allergies to some of these foods, so please consult with a healthcare provider if you have any allergens. And to watch any significant changes in your diet. Balanced diet is important. And one thing I didn't notice on here is fruits. So anyhow, this is something I wanted to share with you guys as to naming 20 foods that are healthy for a person over 50. And I believe that these foods are healthy for everybody and highest in nutritional value. And again, there's the list there. You can stop it and check it out. But I believe this is your shopping list. Other things that I didn't notice on here also is beef. They have eggs as your protein. I saw fish as your protein. Yogurt is high in protein. Okay. So again, this is a short list. I hope this helped you. Write these items down and think about them next time you go to the store. I know that they have kale, And I believe kale has the highest nutrient value of all these other vegetables, higher than broccoli, okay, and spinach. But all right, guys, hope this helped you. I appreciate it. Thank you.